Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix audio output device is installed in Windows 10. So in this case all you have to just go here, search option, and write troubleshoot settings. Troubleshoot settings, this one, click on this. Then you can see here all of these troubleshooters. Go here, additional troubleshooters, this one, click on this. Then you'll find here playing audio, click on this and run the troubleshooter. It will detect the problem if your audio has any problem. Hold on, you can click on next, click on open audio enhancement, after complete click on display the test sounds. Okay, then your sound is good. Alright, now the second step is go here, device manager, and click on audio input and outputs, and choose your device, microphone or speakers or stereo types. Choose the right one like this. After choose the right one, right click on this and click on disable. Click on disable. Then after holding 1 to 5 seconds, click on right click and make it enable again. Okay, this is the second step. Now I'm gonna show you the third step. Is go here, services, click on enter. From this list you have to find Windows Audio, which in W section, Windows Audio, this one. After clicking on this Windows Audio, double click and make sure it is automatic and also it is status is running. If that something like this, manual or anything, you just make it automatic and status should be running. Okay, so click on OK, apply and OK, sorry, double click, click on apply and OK. This is the third step. And showing you the fourth step is sounds playback. Go to sounds. Now just go here, the speaker option you can see here, right? Just right click and go sounds. After going sounds, go playback and make sure you are using your device which is connected should be green tick, and which is not connected, that is like this red mark. Okay, so your speaker should be like this, and choose the right speaker what you want to use for right now. Okay, so click on OK, and after that I'm gonna show you the last thing, device manager, and you have to go here, sound audio playback, and click on right click on the specific and just update the driver. Sometime old driver can mess up, so you have to do this. After doing this, restart your PC and check back it. I hope your problem will be solved. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.